Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making stuffed peppers. Let's get started. First, we will need to prep the bell peppers by cutting them in half. 1/2 of a medium diced onion, 1 cup of cooked rice, 1 large clove of chopped garlic, shredded mozzarella cheese. Preheat a skillet on medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 1 large clove of chopped garlic. Add in the 1/2 medium diced onion. Cook until golden yellow. Add the 1 pound of lean ground beef. One cup of cooked rice. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add some fresh ground pepper. Add in half of the tomato sauce. Remove skillet from stovetop. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the bell peppers in a baking pan. Fill each half of the bell peppers with some beef mixture. It's okay to make it heaping at the top. Add the remaining tomato sauce to the top of the bell peppers. Cover baking pan with aluminum foil, shiny side down. Place baking pan in the oven. Set a timer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the stuffed bell peppers from the oven. Remove the aluminum foil. Sprinkle generous amounts of shredded mozzarella cheese on the top of the bell peppers. Place the stuffed bell peppers back in the oven, this time with no aluminum foil cover. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Remove the stuffed bell peppers from the oven. And there you have it, stuffed peppers. See you next time.